guys, how are you doing? Welcome back and welcome to my channel DivaBeautyAE. If you don't know, I do a lot of beauty reviews, skincare reviews, also lifestyle, fashion and some videos with kids. In today's video, we are going to be doing unboxing. Yes, but before we go ahead, please like my video, do comment on it and also share with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe my channel as well and hit the notification button below so that you come across all my videos. Pixi Escape Let's Glow. Let's open this together with you guys. So I will open this box with you and I hope things don't fall off there. Anyways, we have got Get Ready, Go and Glow, and we have a bunch of goodies over here. Let's unbox this together. It says Pixi, the best way to keep your glow glowing all the year long. Even if you're sitting at home, why you shouldn't be glowing, right? I'm sharing all my Pixi glowing secrets with you all from Petra. And here is glowing secrets, and that's what I have got it along with me in this one. It is all in the package, and this is what is there in the makeup bag itself. So we have with us the Endless Shade Stick, Lip Lift Stick, a Max, Large Lash Mascara and Summer Glow Palette. So we'll go one by one. First, I have a personalized bag from Pixi. How cool is that? Isn't that so cute? My name written over there. That's amazing. Thank you so much, Pixi. Next, we have Pixi by Petra. This is an Endless Shade Stick, and this is the shimmery, shining, glowing shade with you guys. And we have another Endless Shade Stick. These are the beautiful shimmering shades. This one is Endless Shade Stick. And then we have, this one is Copper Glaze, and this one is Endless Shade Stick in Matte Coca. The next one is the Large Lash Mascara. Next we have the Pixi by Petra Lip Lift Max, and this one is in the shade Sweet Nectar. The last one we have here is an eyeshadow palette, and this one is the Summer Glow Palette. And as you can see, it has got beautiful nude shades and as well as some shimmer shades as well. So this is an amazing palette, I love it, and it's a multi-use bronzing palette for perfect natural sun-kissed look all the year around. Now this one is a 9 multi-use shades palette, and you can use this to create natural glow. You can use them as eyeshadow, as highlighter and whatnot. You can even use it as a bronzer. And these are perfect gorgeous shades to create that sun-kissed look. Here are the details of the palette for your reference. And I'll open it later on. Here are the shades for you guys so that you can have a look. So I have opened the shades for you, and you can see this is Sun Kiss, Subtly, Sun Touch, Sun Swept, Bronze, Sunshine. This is a multi palette. You can use it as an eyeshadow, as a bronzer, as a highlighter, in whichever way you can. And if you mix it with Vaseline and some other like makeup mix, and you can even use it as a lipstick. So yes, you can even use them as an eyeliner. Makeup is an art, and you can come up with so many stuff with this one particular multi-use palette. So these are the products in short till now. We came across the mascara, the eye palette, we came across this is the lip lift, and we also came across the endless shade stick palettes. So, and of course we started with this amazing personalized bag. I just love it. It's so huge. It's a tote bag. This is amazing. I love it, the way they personalize stuff, and they send it. Pixi always send amazing packages. They are lovely. Thank you so much, Pixi, for this wonderful package. So here we come at the end of the video. Please don't forget to like my channel and the video, comment as well, and if you have not subscribed till now, do it and hit the bell button so that you can come across all my videos and you are the first one to keep updated. Till next time, see ya, bye bye.